In this video, I'm going to share how to make a boomerang video longer for Instagram. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm using an Android, but you can use iPhone if you want. So this process works on any device. The first thing you need to do is log on Instagram and log into your account. Then you will come on the main page and swipe to the right to come on the store page. After you down here, you will see Create, and below Boomerang, you need to click on Boomerang, and you need to record your Boomerang video. So I will record my video, just for example, okay? After doing that, you need to click on the first option right here. Then you need to click on the second option to make your boomerang slow. Okay, if you click right here, you will see that your boomerang video will increase the time. Okay, you will make your boomerang slow. Then click right here on done, and you can post your boomerang video. Okay, this is the only way to make your boomerang video longer for Instagram. Okay, so you need to click right here and click on the second option. I hope I help you how to make boomerang video longer for Instagram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to your channel to receive other footsteps.